Isang mapagpalang maga po sa ating lahat. Tayo po ay magpapatuloy sa ating Everyday God Daily Devotion Series. Ang scripture natin for today is from the letter of Paul to the Corinthians, 2 Corinthians chapter 10 verse 4 to 5. And it says, "The weapons we fight with are not the weapons of the world. On the contrary, they have divine power to demolish strongholds. We demolish arguments and every pretension that sets itself up against the knowledge of God. And we take captive every thought to make it obedient to Christ." The title of our devotion for today is Fighting with the Right Weapon. There are opponents to Paul's ministry and challenge or object his authority, that he has no right to rebuke or correct in matters of the knowledge of God and practice of Christian faith. They claim that Paul is hypocrite because Paul in person is more gentle and calm and even have an impressed personality. But in his letters, he is fierce and strong and his words have great weight. To make it short, walang dating ang personality ni Paul para sa kanila, and so he has no authority to teach or preach. Paul takes this challenge seriously. He sees himself at war with the false teachers, but Paul knew that he is not fighting with physical weapon but with spiritual ones. The battlefield is not earthly but the hearts and minds of the people of Corinth. Paul reveals an essential truth that wrong teaching leads to wrong thinking, which leads to disobedience to Christ. Paul is fully prepared for the battle by using the right weapon, which are prayer and scripture. These weapons are powered by God to destroy resistance to the true gospel of Jesus. Paul and his companions plan to win that battle by capturing the thoughts of the Corinthians again to obey Christ. Capturing every thought means ensuring that they align with the teachings of Jesus and principles of Christian faith. As believers, we are called to guard against negative and destructive thought patterns such as doubt, fear, pride, and temptation. Instead, they are encouraged to focus on thoughts that are true, noble, right, pure, lovely, and admirable, as mentioned in Philippians 4, verse 8. We need to maintain a mindset that is centered on Christ, resisting the influence of worldly ideas and sinful desires. Like Paul, are we prepared to wage war against our unseen enemy? Do we use our spiritual weapons to gain victory and to stand for the truth even against critics and opponents? Remember, God has already given all authority to Jesus, and as believers of Christ, we can access His power to fight every battle of this life.